i-fibre is designed to be pre-treated. The nice thing about the pre-treat system is it eliminates the bucket and wringer and having to wring out cloths by hand. How the pre-treat system works is we take our i-fibre pads, place them in the bucket with the microfibre side face down and the pocket side face up. We put them in the bucket, and according to our dilution charts, we put in the solution on the top of the mops. The mops are immediately pre-treated because we have a mesh backing. The mesh backing allows the solution to go through all of the mops. So when we do pick them out, they're ready to use, just like you would pick a baby wipe out of a pocket. The iScrub 26H is used for the smaller bucket, as well as the cloths. Pre-treating mops and cloths is very productive because we're not going back to a bucket and wringer. We stay in our place of cleaning. So we have the bucket on our carts, and we take one mop off to clean a space, typically one mop per room if we're cleaning a patient room, one iScrub 26H pad for each room if we're cleaning desks or walls. Also great for whiteboards and chalkboards. The cloth is designed to clean non-flat surfaces such as sinks, fixtures, glasses, and mirrors. You can pre-treat all of the products together or separate. You notice that there's different colors. We color code so we don't cross-contaminate. A good instance is we may use green in food service, yellow above the floor, blue for cleaning the floor, and red for restrooms.